Morning. Chapter Hyperbola, exercise 11.4, question number 11. The question is, it is given that focus 0, plus minus 13 and the conjugate axis is of length 24. Find the equation of the hyperbola. So, it is given coordinate of the focus, that is 0, plus minus 13 and conjugate axis length 24. So, focus 0, plus minus 13, x coordinate is 0. Okay.
So, sir, the equation is along the y-axis.
X coordinate 0, that means focus is on the y-axis. So, second type, that is vertical hyperbola. Okay. So, since plus minus 13 on the y-axis, so the equation of the form. Okay. So the equation of the form y square by s square
minus x square by b square is equal to 1.
Focus 0, plus minus 13 and we know 0, plus minus c coordinate. So 0, plus minus c equal to 0, plus minus 13. So
So, c is equal to 13.
Comparing both sides, c equal to 13. Therefore, c square equal to 13 into 13, 169. Okay. C square is 169 and conjugate axis length. Okay. So, conjugate axis length is 2b and 2b equal to conjugate axis length is 24. 2b equal to 24. So b equal to
So, b is equal to 12.
So b equal to 12. Therefore, b square equal to 144. Okay. So find a square. We know c square equal to a square plus b square and c square equal to 169. 169 equal to a square plus b square equal to 144. Okay. Now 169 minus 144 equal to a square. Okay. So a square equal to a square equal to 25. A square equal to 25 and b square equal to 144. Hence the required equation of the hyperbola is, hence the required equation of the hyperbola is y square by, okay, this is second type, that is y square by s square minus x square by b square. So y square by s square is 25 minus x square by b square. B square is 144 equal to 1. Okay, this is the answer. This is the required hyperbola. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Question number 12. Question number 12. It is given coordinate of the focus, that is phi equal to plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0, plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0, and the length of the latus rectum and length of the latus rectum equal to 8. Okay, find the equation of the hyperbola. So it is given focus plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0, y coordinate is 0, so focus is on the x-axis, so it is type 1. Okay, so since plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0, 3 root 5 comma 0 lie on the x-axis, so the equation of the form x square by s square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, type 1. Now so coordinate of the focus plus minus c comma 0, plus minus c comma 0 equal to plus minus 3 root 5 comma 0. Comparing both sides, c equal to 3 root 5. Therefore, c square equal to 3 square 9 into 5 45. Okay, c square is 45. Now length of the latus rectum is 8, and so length of the latus rectum 2b square by a, 2b square by a equal to 8, so 2b square equal to 8a, therefore b square equal to 8a by 2 4a, therefore b square equal to 4a. Okay, 8a by 2 4a, b square equal to 4a. Now we know c square equal to a square plus b square. C square equal to a square plus b square. C square is 45. C square equal to 45 equal to a square plus b square equal to 4a. Okay, so b square equal to 4a. Now a square plus 4a minus 45 equal to 0. So find middle term factor. 5 into 9 45, 9 minus 5 4. So a square plus 9a minus 5a, okay, minus 45 equal to 0. A is common, A plus 9 minus last two term 5 common, A plus 9 equal to 0. So A plus 9 is common, A plus 9 into A minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, therefore A equal to A equal to 5 and minus 9. Okay, A plus 9 equal to 0, A equal to minus 9, and A minus 5 equal to 0, A equal to 5. Okay, so now minus 9, that is length, is not possible, therefore A equal to 5. Okay, length cannot be negative, so A equal to minus 9 is not possible. A equal to minus 9 is not possible, so A equal to 5. So A equal to 5, A square equal to 5 square, that is 25. A square equal to 25, and B square equal to 4A. B square equal to 4A equal to 4 into A is 5, 20. Okay, so B square is 20, A square is 25. So hence the required equation of the hyperbola is, hence the required equation of the hyperbola is, required equation of the hyperbola is, that is x square by a square is 25. Okay, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, type 1. So a square is 25, x square by 25 minus y square by b square is 20 equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, hello, it's okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 13. It is given coordinate of the focus, that is equal to plus minus 4, 0, and length of the lattice rectum is 12. Length of the lattice rectum 12. Okay, and focus plus minus 4, 0. So since plus minus 4, 0, that is y coordinate is 0. Okay, y coordinate 0, so this lie on x-axis. So the equation of the form equation. So the equation of the form is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, because focus is on the x-axis. Now so plus minus c comma 0, coordinate of the focus equal to plus minus 4 comma 0. Comparing both sides, c equal to 4, therefore c square equal to 16. Okay, and length of the lattice rectum and 2b square by a. Length of the lattice rectum 2b square by a equal to 12. Okay, so b square equal to 2b square equal to 12a. 2b square equal to 12a. So b square equal to 12 by 2, 6a. B square equal to 6a. So now use the relation we know. C square equal to a square plus b square, and c square is 16. 16 equal to a square plus, and b square equal to 6a. B square equal to 6a, then a square plus 6a minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, now middle term factor, 8 into 2, 16, 8 minus 2, it is 6. So a square plus 8a, 8 into 2 minus 2a, 8 minus 2, 6, minus 16 equal to 0. So from first two term a is common, a plus 8 minus 2 common, a plus 8 equal to 0. So a plus 8 into a minus 2 equal to 0. So this imply a equal to 2 and minus 8. A plus 8 equal to 0, a equal to minus 8. Okay, so therefore length cannot be negative, therefore a equal to 2. A equal to 2, since a equal to minus 8 is not possible, negative. Okay, so a equal to 2, therefore a square equal to, so a square equal to 2 square is 4, and b square equal to, b square is 6a. So b square equal to 6a, 6 into 2 equal to 12. Equal to 12. Therefore, hence the required equation of the hyperbola is, hence the required equation of the hyperbola is type 1, that is x square by a square, and a square equal to, a square is 4 and b square is 12. So x square by 4 minus y square by 12 equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question number 14. Is given vertices plus minus 7 comma 0 plus minus 7 comma 0 and E equal to eccentricity E equal to 4 by 3. Okay, find the equation of the hyperbola. So vertices plus minus 7 comma 0. Why?
So, sir, the equation is along the x-axis.
Yes. So since vertices plus minus 7 comma 0 lie on x-axis, y coordinate is 0, x-axis. So the equation of the form is, so type 1 x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, this is the standard equation. So now vertices plus minus a comma 0, coordinate plus minus a comma 0 equal to plus minus 7 comma 0. So comparing both sides, a equal to 7. Therefore a square equal to 49. A square is 49. Okay, and E equal to E equal to 4 by 3, 4 by 3, and we know E equal to C by A. So C by A equal to 4 by 3. C by A equal to 4 by 3, and already we got A equal to 7. Okay, so put A equal to 7. So C by 7 equal to 4 by 3. Since A equal to 7, therefore C equal to, cross multiply, C equal to 4 into 7, 28, 28 by 3. This is C. Okay. Now so we know the relation now C equal to 28 by 3, therefore C square equal to, okay, hello, C square equal to, that is
784 by 9.
784 by 9.
9.
Yes. So now, so the relation is C square equal to A square plus B square, and C square equal to 784 by 9 equal to A square is 7, there are 7 square, that is 49 plus b square. A is 7 plus b square. So b square equal to 784 by 9 minus 49. Okay, so 9 is the LCM. 9 is the LCM. 784 minus 49 is
441.
441. No. Now this equal to,
So it is 343 by 9.
343 by 9. Okay, this is b square equal to. This is b square and a square is 49. Okay, hence the required equation of the hyperbola. Hence the required equation of the hyperbola is, this is type 1, so x square by a square, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by a square,
49.
a square is 49 minus y square by b square is 343 by 9 equal to 1. So
we can multiply as 9y square by 343 also.
yes, we can write this x square by 49 minus 9y square by 343. No, equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
And next question is, focus is 0, plus minus root 10. Number 15 is 0, plus minus root 10 and passing through 2, 3. So passing through the point is
Y values.
xy value, passing through the point. And this is which type of equation? Which type? This
So type 2. So y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1.
equal to 1. And focus is given 0, plus minus root 10.
So for c is root 10.
So then we find, so C, you know, means you can find. Then after that, use the relation c square equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so then you can try. No, this is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.